This is Jamie with BarEye. In this video, we're going to show users how they can use BarEye's reporting tools to more effectively optimize and manage their product list. In general, we feel that most bars tend to carry more products than is beneficial. As a rule of thumb, I think for an average neighborhood bar, 150 is a sensible limit for the total number of products. For higher end, higher volume bars, definitely can support a larger number. But let's take a look at how we can use data to inform decision making around here. So here I am on my products report, and this particular bar has 209 products. So that's right kind of in the typical range. And so that's a good starting point to understand how many products you have to start with. Then if we look here at our commentary report, we can see our weeks on hand and see this bar is managing inventory very effectively, where they only have about 1.9 times the inventory as they use in a typical week. So they are nailing this. But if they want to perhaps pare down the product list, they can use the following tools. So from the main browser, expand the products menu, go to vessels. I'm going to use the example of liquor here, which is often where there's the most opportunity. So let's filter my liquor list. Go to liquors, and I'm going to further look and say I want to cut down the number of whiskeys I have. So if we apply that filter, now we're looking just at their whiskeys, and we can see these order pars. These guys are using I can look here, but they're using a 14-day par. So these pars are the exact amount they use every 14 days over the recent cycles. If I filter here, I'll see a list of items where they haven't used any in the last little bit. And so this would be a great list to go through and decide, some of this higher end stuff we want to make sure that we have so that we can offer something higher end if a customer comes in. Whereas maybe some unusual stuff like Jack Daniel's Blackberry or a special edition, Jameson 12, Jameson Triple Triple, maybe some free product received in the past. Either way, we've got, it looks like, about 20 whiskies that we haven't used any of. Or sorry, we have 17 whiskies that have had none used, and then a few others that have had a very small amount. So this is how we could use data to decide which items are not selling and might be good candidates to run a special, use up, and pare down our inventory selection. Thanks for watching.